Hey guys, so today we are going to make a subject from nature. We're going to make a sculpture from nature. So you're going to need your glue stick from your art pack, a pencil, some scissors, and the construction paper from your art pack. So here we go. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to get a brown piece of paper from our art pack, one of those brown pieces of paper, and we're going to fold it. Okay, we're going to fold this to make our tree. So I'm going to start off right here, and I'm just going to do a little fold. Like that. Just a cute, tiny little fold on the short side. With the short side of my paper, I'm going to do a little tiny fold. Okay? After I've done that little tiny fold, I'm going to take my paper and fold it all the way in half. All the way in half. See that? Okay? I'm going to take my paper, I'm going to fold it all the way in half again. Look at how small it is now, okay? Now I'm going to unfold it, okay? See this part? I'm going to fold it like this. And that way, it all folds up. There we go. Now, remember that little tiny fold we did right at the beginning? I'm going to take my glue stick. My glue. Now I'm going to put a lot of glue there. I'm going to put a lot of glue. I'm going to put so much glue there. It's so sticky. A lot of glue. A lot of glue. There we go. Glue, glue, glue. Okay. I'm going to put a cap on that. Make sure it clicks. There we go. That's nice and safe. I'm going to take that little guy and I'm going to connect it to this guy. And now I've got a trunk of my tree. See that? A nice big old tree trunk. 3D sculpture tree trunk. Okay, now we need to make branches on our tree trunk. So I'm going to take out my scissors, okay, and I'm going to cut, not all the way down, about halfway down, okay. Might cut couple on this side, right? Turn it. Maybe I'll just cut down the middle on this one. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to cut a little more on this side. And then another cut on this side. And now I've got, if I take these and I'm going to fold them so that they stick out. There we go. And now my tree has branches. I have my tree trunk and my tree branches, okay? And now my tree needs leaves. My tree needs leaves, okay? So I'm gonna get some green paper from my art pack. I could use red or orange too, right? And here, I've already drawn some leaves and I've got a picture of another leaf right here. And I think I'm gonna copy that picture, and you're gonna use a pencil for this part. I'm using a Sharpie so that you can see it. And I'm gonna go ahead and draw that leaf that I see, okay? And I'm gonna cut these out. And as soon as I'm done cutting one of them out, like that, I'm gonna take it and I am going to glue it to my tree. See that? Okay. It needs a little more glue to stick. I'm gonna glue that to my tree. And I've got some more over here. I did these ones in red. I've got different shapes, okay? And I am just gonna glue leaves all over the branches of my tree. All these different leaf shapes that I can do. Okay. Make sure that the cap goes on. Okay, and I've got a pretty good start with my leaves on my tree, but I could do a lot more. So I'm going to keep on going, and I can't wait to see your trees on Seesaw.